Hey guys, today I introduce easy to make and healthy dish, magma. This dish is the second instrumental of super easy and healthy recipe featured on the Cuisine channel. Just like the swamp dish I introduced before, I made a slight tweak for this channel, but it's a very simple dish where you just add the ingredients and press a switch rice cooker. No knife, no scissors. So let's make super healthy easy dish together! Introduce ingredients: rice, potato, carrot, chicken, diced tomato, consommé, salt. As for the tools, we will only use a rice powder and a peeler. That's it, just a rice cooker. Now let's make the ultimate healthy and easy dish. First, peel the potatoes. Using a large potato make it easier to cut. So prepare one large potato to save time. The buds of potato are toxic, so be sure to remove them. If your peeler has a hook, use it to remove the buds. Also, any green part of potato are not good for you, so use a peeler to remove those as well. Once they look green like this, they are ready. Similarly, peel the carrot. Carrot skin is edible, but we are peeling it, so it can easily be broken up with the rice powder when the dish is finished. Now that's done! Next, let's wash the rice. There might be dirt on the surface of the rice, so give it a lightly wash about 3 to 4 times. After that, it's time to add the ingredients. First, add the chicken. I'm using a frozen chicken, which works just as well. Then, add the potatoes and carrot. Be careful not to overflow the rice cooker. Next, add the diced tomatoes. This is plain diced tomatoes without any additional seasoning. If you are using a seasoned diced tomatoes, skip the step of adding the salt later. Add a little water to adjust the consistency, about 100 ml. Finally, add the seasoning from the Consommé cube and a pinch of salt. Now the preparation is complete. Set it and close the rice cooker. Press the cooker switch and let's cook for about 16 minutes. After cooking, keep it warm for about 9 hours. Now let's open the rice cooker after 9 hours. Wow, perfect magma has formed. The redness looks like magma, doesn't it? When you poke it with the rice powder, the chicken, potatoes, and carrots easy to break apart. Now just mix it all together evenly. This dish is a low calories and high protein with less rice and more moisture, making it super healthy dish. Finish! So let's いただきます。
Today, let's enjoy it miso soup with the nameku mushroom and shiitake mushroom, a perfect match magma. Here are the ingredients for miso soup. Now let's dig into the magma. Look, all ingredients are mixed well, even though I didn't use a knife. The flavor of consommé is prominent, making this dish surprisingly rich in umami. It's incredibly delicious for something so easy to make. If you find the flavor a bit mild, you can adjust by adding the salt to suit your taste. Try making this dish regularly to become even healthier. Thank you for watching until the end. I'll introduce Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe this channel so you don't miss it. See you next time.